Okay, so now coming to the next question. Okay, over here all the questions are of the same kind except for the last one or two where this says 8 taps through which water flows at the same rate can fill a tank in 27 minutes. If 2 taps go out of order, how long will the remaining taps take to fill the tank? So what do we have over here? Okay, tank, the quantity of water is fixed. Okay, so if I have taps, okay, so obviously if I have more taps are running, then the water, it will fill up faster. Okay, no, what is the question? Oh, sorry, it's about the time taken. Yes, if more taps are there, time taken will be less. Less taps are there, it will take more time. It's about the two quantities being compared are the number of taps and the time taken to fill the tank. So here it is, number of taps and the time taken. So when there were 8 taps running, it took 27 minutes. Now instead of 8 taps, if you have 2 taps go out of order, that means now only 6 taps are working. So when 6 taps are working, what is the time taken? Okay, inversely proportional. So here it is going to be 6 into y. Okay, every time x into y is going to be the same. So here it is 6 into y should be equal to 8 into 27. Just calculate y is equal to 8 into, okay, so this comes out to be equal to 36. That means 6 taps will take 36 minutes to fill the tank. So this is how it is. Quite simple, isn't it? Yes. Let us move on to the next question. This question says, Vandana, again very simple. Vandana takes 24 minutes to reach her school. If she goes at a speed of 5 km per hour, if she wants to reach school in 20 minutes, what should be her speed? Okay, so Vandana is now again same thing. It's speed and the time taken because the distance is fixed. It's her home to school. So here it is. If the speed is 5 km per hour, Vandana takes 24 minutes. Okay, so I do not, now it is saying that the time taken is 20 minutes. What should be her speed? So let me take the speed as x. Again, exactly the same thing is going to happen. 20 into x is going to be equal to 5 into 24. So x is coming out to be, after calculation, x is coming out to be 24 into 5 by 20. It's coming out to be equal to 6 km per hour. So if Vandana has to reach school in 20 minutes, she needs to walk at 6 km per hour. Okay. The last question. It says 1200 soldiers. Now this is a little different. Let us see what it says. It says 1200 soldiers in a fort had enough food for 28 days. After 4 days, some soldiers were sent to another fort, and thus the food lasted for 32 more days. How many soldiers left the fort? Now see, in the beginning there were 1200 soldiers. The food was supposed to last for 28 days. Now what is happening for the first 4 days? First 4 days everything is remaining as it is. Okay, because whoever is leaving after 4 days. So what is the condition after 4 days? After 4 days what is going to happen? After 4 days, food should last for 24 days for 1200 soldiers, isn't it? 4 days gone, they have eaten the food for the first 4 days. So after 4 days, these 1200 soldiers, their food should last for 24 days, isn't it? Because already 4 days gone. So after 4 days, food lasts for 24 days for 1200 soldiers. Now see. Now I'm going to use up this part. So if there are 1200 soldiers, food would last for 24 days. That is what it was happening, isn't it? In the beginning it was supposed to last for 28 days. So after 4 days food already eaten. So after 4 days, these for 1200 soldiers, the food will last for 24 days. But what has happened? Some people went away, and so the food lasted for 32 days. Okay, 32 days more. So here it is. Now the food is going to last. This means now the food is going to last for 32 days. So how many soldiers are here? Let us find out. Let x be the number of soldiers now. So again same calculation, very easy. 32 into x is equal to 24 into 1200. So x is coming out to be equal to 900. That means now there are 900 soldiers in the fort. But that is not the question they are asking. They are asking how many soldiers left the fort. Now this is the number of soldiers which is there in the fort now. So the number of soldiers who left the fort will be 1200 minus 900 is equal to 300. So these many soldiers went away.